Hopefully you cannot see the sweat that is on my face because this filming has been kicking my behind. It's a pretty stressful filming process, and I hope it doesn't show on camera. I have been using aloe vera since I think more than a decade now, because I cannot even say that I've been using it from day one of my natural hair journey, because I have been using it way longer than that for my hair health and etc. In this video, I will be highlighting, explaining, and talking about my experience with aloe vera for over 10 decades and if I plan on continue using it. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Cheche. As I said in the intro, I am going to be talking about my over a decade long experience with aloe vera and my hair health. In the beginning of using aloe vera, we had the plants in our house, and I had this classmate in secondary school that had really silky hair, and when we asked her what she was doing to take care of her hair, make it so moisturized and hydrated, silky feeling, she talked about how whenever she's done relaxing her hair, she uses aloe vera to condition it. So from that day onwards, I started using the aloe vera in my house to do the exact same thing. When I went natural, I maintained that. I use the aloe vera to do three main things when it comes to my natural hair. The first thing is a hot oil treatment. In the past, I haven't done this for about a year now. I would make aloe vera oil using aloe vera plants. I would chop them up, I'll wash them, remove the thorns, then chop them like onions, then fry them, use the oil to do hot oil treatments. And for the longest time, I did this from, I started doing this from day one of my natural hair journey. Then when it was time to detangle my hair, because in the past we didn't have conditioners that had slip like that, I would use my aloe vera to detangle my hair, and that is the number two thing that I used my aloe vera as, a detangler. And whenever I would be done detangling my hair with the aloe vera, I will leave it in my hair for about 20 minutes as a pre-poo treatment. This gives me automatic curl definition. It helps to let me know that my hair is healthy. I always use the aloe vera as a detangler and not as a conditioner or a deep conditioner, because I noticed very long ago that when the gel is applied to somewhat clean hair, like no products on the hair, the gel just likes to like drip off, slip off the hair. And I feel like this was happening because the gel had nothing to adhere to. The hair was just way too free, nothing to hold the gel in place. So because of that, I do not use aloe vera gel as a deep conditioner or a conditioner. I strictly use it as a detangler and a pre-poo. Now, what are my plans of aloe vera in the future? I will never stop using aloe vera because the plant itself is very, when you see how long, thick, and juicy it is, it just motivates and inspires you to take it and start doing things with it on your hair. So that I would not stop doing. The one I know that I might not do again, I cannot say never, never say never. The one, but for now, because I've not done this in a year, the hot oil treatment using the fried aloe vera is not necessary for me anymore, because in reality it really doesn't affect the growth of your hair. It doesn't affect how conditioned it is. I was just doing it because I was trying stuff and I had the plant, but using it as a detangler and a pre-poo definitely is going to continue. People talk about how they don't like using the aloe vera plant because it is a bit itchy, and that's because you have to prep it first before you use it. Aloe vera needs to be washed, I guess, with warm water. Sometimes I use it with soap and water because I don't have the energy to be soaking and doing all of that. Once I'm done washing it with the soap and water, rinse it off, dry it then I dry it, chop it, then I use it the way it needs to be used. Aloe vera is touted to have so many different nutrients, benefits, enzymes, salicylic acids, and what have you. But as naturals, especially naturals that have been growing their hair for a long time, all them statistics, prerequisites, and credentials means less than nothing to you when you are trying to. If you don't help me to take care of my hair, all your credentials can go to hell and burn to ashes. Initially, I was talking about how I want to cut down on the DIYs that I do, since I have outgrown that. It's no longer fun for me, and aloe vera was one of the things that I was saying, I want to put down. But after giving it much thought, I was like, aloe vera is one of those DIYs that isn't really a DIY. It doesn't take much to use it, it doesn't take much to buy it, it doesn't take much to extract it. So I was like, I'm going to keep it because what it does for me is way too much to give up. And yes, it's better sometimes, and yes, it's better sometimes to buy an already made conditioner that has amazing sleep, squeeze it out. You don't need to soak it, you don't need to wash it, you don't need to do nothing. But at the same time, it can be therapeutic when you are doing all those things to extract the gel. It is way too aesthetic, and again, it works. And for many of the girl then that like knowing the nutritional contents, nutritional benefits of things that they use, I am going to make coming up is a slide of all the nutritional benefits of aloe vera.
Aloe vera for hair growth is a natural powerhouse packed with vitamins C, E, and B12 to support scalp health, boost circulation, nourish hair follicles, and aid collagen and red blood cell production. As one of the best organic hair products, it delivers essential minerals like zinc, copper, iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, selenium, and chromium to aid tissue repair, hormone balance, oxygen transport, hydration, and antioxidant protection. This botanical ingredient also supplies 20 of the 22 amino acids, including 7 essential ones, which are vital for keratin formation, stronger strands, and reduced breakage. The proteolytic enzymes bradykinin, amylase, lipase, and cellulase work like an exfoliating scalp scrub, removing dead skin cells and excess sebum and creating a clean foundation for hair repair. Rich polysaccharides in aloe vera improve moisture retention, scalp hydration, elasticity, and shine, making it ideal for DIY hair repair mask routines. Aloe vera's alkalizing properties help balance scalp pH for optimal growth. This ingredient belongs to top-rated vegan hair products and is especially suited for sensitive scalp shampoo regimens or hair repair masks that prioritize gentle, plant-based care. Use aloe vera gel directly from the plant or choose 99% pure formulas as a scalp treatment, leave-in conditioner or mask. Apply 20 to 60 minutes before rinsing to reveal stronger, shinier, and healthier hair growth.
That is it for this particular video. I hope you enjoyed all the b-rolls, and if you liked it, please like. If you're interested in seeing more content from me, consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell. Choose.